They do have one person in custody, a bloody leg. Just want to remind you that this is live, raw, unfiltered. This man not wearing a shirt, and again, his leg looks to be dripping some blood. So this could be possibly someone who obviously needs medical attention. Does look like his hands are cuffed behind his back, and also has some blood on his hands that are, again, cuffed behind him at this breaking news situation. And again, this person being escorted not only by police, but a medical fire team member as well. Does have handcuffs, his arms handcuffed behind him. Looks to be like a wound to some part of his hip or leg area, as there is blood dripping down that leg, and his hands also seem to have some blood on them. But he is walking, so that is one thing to just take a note of as we continue to watch here. And again, this is a scene where police were called to because they had a victim who was shot inside of their car, and then they said that they were searching inside of this supermarket for that active shooter. So once again, we are watching it all unfold right in front of us, live in Boulder, Colorado. You're watching live, raw, and unfiltered with News Now from Fox. And they do get him onto that stretcher. They're going to be taking him by ambulance, obviously to go and get medical attention. As we saw, not only were his hands that were handcuffed behind him at one point were bloody, but also that leg was also bloody. And once more, this is just a live breaking news situation. So I just want to remind everyone, viewer discretion is advised as we continue to watch here. And there they are getting this person secured in the back of the ambulance, going to be taking them obviously to get medical attention. And there is more than just this one ambulance that has responded here on scene. A reminder, when we first arrived here, we saw just how grand a scale this really was, as they did have multiple law agencies responding here to this situation. We're trying to learn information if this is the person who they may have wanted. We did see the person who's in the back of this ambulance with their hands handcuffed behind them, and again walking with just shorts on, no shirt on, and it did look like they had a wound to some part of their right side, as their right leg was covered in blood. Hands that were also cuffed behind his back were also covered in some blood too.